act like you know how this goes.
That's impressive how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tei Jae, and we're back in the building with another motherfucking video. Today's install is from Outre. Y'all already know my love for Outre. I'm obsessed with their units, okay? Her name is Eliana. So I was looking all crazy because y'all, I thought the roots were black, but they brown. Y'all see in a minute. But this is what the hair looks like straight out the packaging, okay? But look at those. I really thought it was black, but it's brown. It's okay. It is okay. This is the construction of the wig. It's not a full lace frontal. You get a middle part and some edges. There's 3 combs in total and also an elastic band. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the wig, and it feels so good, y'all. It's a lot of lace on there, so for my big head girls, this is for us, okay? Now y'all know straight hair, straight synthetic hair. Oh my god, y'all, it's tangled out of the package. I was like, Elena, I know you're not gonna do us like this, sis. But she did. But anyway, y'all, this is the hairline, and this is what she give. I love how Outre constructs that hairline. It's so flat. I love how natural it looks. You know they went in and plugged it. Look at that. Okay, and that's the middle part. So I off camera tinted the lace. I showed you guys the product that I used. All the products that I used will be listed down in the description section below. I'm just gonna go ahead and run my hot comb through this unit because, you know, I like to do that. I feel like it just preps for my install. I also keep my dial on the 7 to 5. You can turn it up and add more heat if you want, but I like to keep it light, minimal heat around the hairline. I don't know, I feel like you can change the texture. All right, so now we're just gonna trim off that lace. You do not need all of that lace. I cannot stand when I see us out in these streets with all that lace. Why? So anyway, I'm making sure to create jagged edges, but yeah, the less the lace, the better. So now we're gonna go ahead and wipe that makeup off of our forehead. If you don't tint the lace and you're just using like foundation, you don't have to do this step because you can just leave the product on your forehead. But I feel like with that tinting spray and then the foundation mixed together, it just doesn't, and the spray, it just, I don't like it no more. Y'all see, I am doing my normal install routine. I'm just taking a section, using my finger and blending that product out, and I'm waiting till it's tacky. Once it is tacky, then I go down and lay it in place. Watch this disappear. Like, this scalp, I said scalp, this lace was on vanish mode, okay? Vanish. When I say that thing melted, this is why it's called Outre melted. I get it, because sis, what lace? For real. So we're going to continue to do this throughout the entire unit. Please make sure that you're stretching your lace, making sure that your lace is flat and not bumpy and rolled up, because sis, they finna come for you, okay? You supposed to be out in these streets unclockable, not clockable. So now I'm going to add my elastic bands. I get these from Amazon. Y'all, these Velcro elastic bands are so tight, baby. It melts so quickly, so you don't need to leave it on long at all. 3 minutes max, okay? 3 minutes, and it's going to be melted. So this is the hairline, okay? Anyway, y'all, I'm just straightening up that middle part because she was a little crooked. I do fix it because it still look crooked as I'm watching it. But anyway, y'all, I'm just going to go in and define that part just a little bit. And then I'm just gonna fix it and make it just a little bit smaller because I did define it too much. It was kind of, you know, wide. I don't like my parts to be that wide. So I'm gonna just use this spray to, you know, put the color back into the hair. And it was in the shade darkest brown. So I'm going in with this hairspray. I mean, it's not necessary. You really don't need it. But anytime I do my parts, I do have to go in and hot comb it. And then I also seen some flyaways. And make sure you get the back of your head. You don't want no lump back there. I'm going in with my comb now, and y'all see I'm combing upwards in the upward direction. I'm adding more hairspray. And I like to do this step because I feel like when I wear my wigs flat down on my face, it doesn't look flattering on me. Okay, other people can do it and it look natural, but I just don't like how they look. So I'm trying to go in and tweak my wigs a little bit so they look a little bit more realistic. You know, it's all about what you do to it to make your units pop. You cannot just wear any type of unit straight out of the box. People claim it, but guess what? You still have to do some type of work. You know what I mean? This is what I like to do to give my units more personality. So I'm just going to go in and do some baby hairs. I always say baby hairs are optional. You don't have to do baby hairs at all. It's just something I like to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and part out a section. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut at an angle. Now you can use a 1-inch flat iron to help you curl your baby hairs so they'll be easier to form into that, you know, swoop. But I don't. I freehand them. So I'm just going in with my gummy wax, and I'm just going to go ahead and swoop them to the best of my abilities. And like I said, if you need help, do not hesitate to grab your mini flat iron to help you swoop. Now, sometimes they be looking too thick, and I don't like that. So I'll go ahead and trim them up and swoop them to my liking. I like the small baby hairs on me. I don't like the big ones on me because it just doesn't give what it's supposed to give on me. Other people, I think they slay them, but honey, I can't. I also, when I use this gummy wax, I also have to put my elastic band back on, and you guys will see that in the next clip because I need for those to set in place. We gonna go ahead and pull this from the back, and girl, look, she look like a jungle. Okay, she look like a jungle. What in the heck? So I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle her again with my brush, and I think it's called a Denman brush. So I'm gonna use that to detangle the hair. And as you see, once you detangle, it does, you know, bring the hair back to its original state. But I will say that with straight hair, it's fun to tangle. It's no way other around it. And also, being that this is a blonde, ashy blonde baby, this unit was shedding. Okay, so I had to keep it 100 because I could just lie and be like, y'all know how people be sitting up there lying, say, oh, this hair didn't shed, this hair didn't tangle, and it be doing it right in the video. I ain't one for cap. I be keeping a buck with y'all. That unit, this unit, I love it dearly, but it did tangle on me and it did shed. Okay, and like I said, 613 hair or any type of light color hair just sheds more anyway. So that is it, y'all. Other than those two, I would rate it an 8. Okay, just an 8. I particularly don't go for straight hair synthetic units because of the tangling, especially at this long length. It tangles more at a longer length. She still gave. She still conquered. Okay, I still love her. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.